Hey everybody, this is Troy from TR Tech Tactical and Survival. I have a package came in the mail here. Let's see what we got. Forgive the noise in the background. Our meat birds are noisy, in a feeding frenzy in the background. Let's see what we have here. It's a product from Meco. I hope I'm saying that right. M-E-C-O. And looks like a little portable travel light. Let me haul this out here a minute. Let's have a look. Oh wow. It's bigger than I had thought when I saw the packaging. There's a little USB charging cable and a surprisingly large looking light. So, let's see, it's 5 volts. Oh, look at that. Is that touch sensitive? Wow. So, 1, 2, 3 brightness levels. Touch sensitive. That surprised me when I touched it. And, oh neat, look at that. So it's a little folding table light. A whole mess of LEDs around the ring. I don't know if that shows up on the video. Very bright, actually. Quite bright. Boy, this is going to be great for working on a great desk light. Camping light, desk light, and USB chargeable. That's a good thing. Well, I'm going to check out the specs here. And there's the charging port. And we'll get back to you in a minute. But this looks like it's going to be a really cool travel light. For one thing, it folds up nice and neat. And it looks like you'll be able to hang it. Looks like there's a lot of uses for that. That's looks like it might be a great addition to our camping gear. Interesting. I can also see you can toss in some extra stuff when it's on your desk. You can toss in some little things like thumbtacks or paper clips in there. Cool. Well, the only specs are on the back side of the box, and there's not a whole lot to it really. It's 5 volts, 500 milliamps, so it can charge on just about any USB charging port, which is great because I can use this with the folding solar panels when we're camping. So it has its own built-in battery, which is very good, and using the folding solar panel for camping, hiking, fishing, or backpacking, that is a very, very valuable tool. It's lightweight, 230 grams, so it's really, really light to feel. There's really, really light. ABS plastic and metal, so it's got the flexible shaft. Well guys, I'm going to put the link down below for those of you who want to jump right ahead and go on and get one of these. It is surprisingly bright even in the daytime. This is normal daylight coming through the window that I'm using here as backlight for the workspace. So it's surprisingly, even on dim, it's impressive amount of light. So we'll be checking this out. I'll put the links down in the video description and the comments below, and stay tuned for a full complete review and field testing of the Meco folding USB camp and travel light. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Talk to you guys later.